Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and now watching a 3-star property. In this property, 5 types of rooms is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it. To see more than 100 reviews of this property, you can go to agoda.com. Its review rating is 9.0. Check-in time in this property is 3 p.m. and check-out time of this property is 2 p.m. If you have checked out from this property, please share experience in the comment box. For booking or get more details about this property, please check the description of the video. If you have any problem booking a room in this property, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. If you are new to this channel or not subscribed yet, then must subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos of our upcoming properties. Thank you for watching. Bye guys. This video is again in a video with a new property.